Join me as I dive into the habits that might be silently ruining our hearing, and challenge myself to break those bad habits for a week. Hearing health is one of those things that we often take for granted until it's too late. We assume that our ears will always be able to pick up on every subtle sound, every whispered secret, every amazing melody. But the truth is, our hearing is incredibly fragile, and it's up to us to protect it. You might be surprised to learn that many of us are engaging in habits every single day that could be slowly but surely destroying our hearing. And the worst part is, we're often completely unaware that we're doing it. Whether it's something as seemingly harmless as listening to music on our daily commute or exposure to loud noises at work or at play, the reality is that our daily routines could be silently ruining our hearing. There are so many behaviors and environments that can contribute to hearing degradation, and many of them might surprise you. From the earbuds we use to the places we frequent, there are hidden dangers lurking everywhere. For example, have you ever stopped to think about the impact that loud restaurants or construction sites could be having on your hearing? Probably not, but today we're going to explore these often overlooked hazards and exactly what you can do to protect yourself. One of the biggest culprits when it comes to hearing loss is loud music. Whether you're a musician, a music lover, or just someone who likes to crank up the tunes in the car, loud music can have a devastating impact on your hearing over time. And it's not just about the volume itself, it's about the duration, too. Even if you're not blasting your music, listening to it at a reasonable volume for extended periods can still cause damage. Construction noise is another often overlooked hazard. If you work in construction, or even just live near a construction site, you're likely being exposed to loud noises on a daily basis. And that's not even getting into the environmental factors, like living near an airport or a highway, where the constant din of traffic can be taking a toll on your hearing. Personal audio devices, like earbuds or headphones, are another surprising contributor to hearing loss. When you're wearing earbuds, the sound is being funneled directly into your ear canal, which can cause serious damage over time. And it's not just about the volume, either, it's about the type of earbuds you're using and how often you wear them. One of the most surprising things I learned while researching this topic is the importance of using ear protection in noisy environments. It sounds obvious, but it's astonishing how few of us actually take the time to protect our ears. Whether it's wearing earplugs at a concert or construction site, or simply taking regular breaks from loud noises, it's the little things that can make all the difference. So what can you do to protect your hearing? The good news is that it's not too late to start making changes. By being more mindful of the noises around you and taking steps to protect your ears, you can significantly reduce your risk of hearing loss. It might take some effort, but trust me, it's worth it. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of hearing health. If you're like me, you're probably realizing that you've been taking your hearing for granted, and it's time to make a change. Let me know in the comments, what are some of your worst hearing habits, and how do you plan on breaking them? And if you want to learn more about hearing protection strategies, be sure to check out my next video.